LED light kit that we just got in from JessLed. This particular package comes with 12 LED lights, which are extremely nice. Very versatile. You can put these up anywhere you want to. They have a really nice big mounting plate with lots of different options. So I'll show you the couple options that we're going to use at my house, and let's go ahead and let's check out what kind of tools you're going to possibly need. So for my project, I'm going into cement, and I'm also doing it on my wood fence post. So for the cement, I did end up needing to get a hammer drill and a regular drill for the wood fence line. And then along the fence line, I'm going to hide the wire. So I got a couple of wire things that you're going to have to bang in. You're going to need a tape measure, some wire strippers. One thing that you are going to need to buy is you are going to need to buy a low voltage supply box. There's several of them available on Amazon or wherever you like to shop from, but you will need that. It does not come with the kit, and the kit does not come with the wire, so you're going to need wire to wire up all your lights as well. It says that in the description, but I just wanted to make sure you know you do have to have a low voltage power supply, and you got to be able to run that all the way to where you want your lights to go. So make sure you get enough wire. I went ahead and dug a low voltage power line. See it right here. And then all the way to my fence line over there. So I did install the first one over here on the fence. And these are nice because they fully rotate. So you can push it down, up, however you want. I just want more light in my yard. It's completely dark at night. I went ahead and I ran the wire all along underneath. That's where those little wire securers come in, and I got my wire down here at the bottom, and here's my low voltage supply. So I still have a bunch of work ahead of me, so I wanted to show you guys where I'm at with it. It's not hard. It does take a little bit of time, a little bit of work to get it just the way you want it, but it's going to be worth it. And when you're wiring these up, there is lots of different options out there. I did go with the blue wire nuts. You're going to want to twist your wires together real well. All the same colors. Oh yeah. And then I'm going to tape these up really weather tight. And I'm going to stuff them down in there. And then just wire on to the next. They give you a lot of wire length, so I'm just using their nice sheathing. Whatever I cut from here, I'm just using to run along to my low voltage supply. All right, hey guys, I got the JessLed LED light system up. I love it. It looks nice and bright. It isn't even dark out yet, and I can already see better. So I got them right here for people when they come up the stairway. It's really dark here in my neighborhood, so I really wanted a lighting system that would illuminate. I've got one down over here shooting out. I know this is going to provide lots of illumination, and it's low voltage, so it's not going to consume any electricity. You can really use these guys pretty much anywhere. I'm running them across my fence line here as well to provide light out front. But for a low voltage system, these guys work really good. They're easy to install. You can put them pretty much on anything. If you like them, check them out. Click on the link below, pick up a set. Have a good day.